Welcome to Cooking with Frankie Meatball. Guys, I am back and I got crazy recipes for you. But today we're going to make the award-winning Carla's Cornbread.
Hey, I'm Kevin.
And I'm Johnny E. from Philly Rock Radio.
And you're about to get cooking
with Frankie Meatball.
I'm Frankie Meatball with the YouTube cooking show. I'm Frankie Meatball on the cooking chair with you. I'm Frankie Meatball every Wednesday in the show. I said it, you heard it, it is fun.
Carla's award-winning cornbread. Guys, let me tell you, I won first place with this cornbread. Forget about it, this is the best cornbread you will ever have. Hands down, thanks to Carla. Don't know where she got it, but wherever she got it, she shared it with me, to share it with you, to share it with everybody, yeah. So anyway, for the cornbread, you're gonna need a box of cornbread. Heat your oven to 350. That was the buzzer for my oven. So, box of the cornbread mix, some sour cream, a stick of butter, 2 cans of corn. You need regular kernels, drain that, okay? And then you need cream corn. We finally found the use for cream corn. I never had it in my life. I always seen it on the shelf in the supermarket, but I never seen it on a plate, you know what I mean? It doesn't look too appetizing, but trust me, inside this cornbread, it's gonna be amazing, okay? And you need some sugar, you need some salt. You wanna melt your stick of butter. You can melt it in the microwave or wherever you like. All right, so you melted your butter, okay? Just pour it right into the pan. Get all that out. Use a brush, I like to use a brush. All right, what we're gonna do is, you want to paint the sides, all right? Because you don't want it to stick, all right? Dump in your corn. Make sure you get all that corn out, all right? First time ever cooking with cream corn, you know? Look at that, nicey, nice. Dump that. And who eats cream corn? So now we're going to mixy, right? We're going to mixy, mix all that nicey. 1 cup of sour cream, whole milk sour cream. If you can't have whole milk, use skim, but guys, you gotta use whole milk. It just makes all the difference. We're gonna mixy, nicey. Gonna just give it a little bit because we're gonna mix it even more. Guys, who loves fresh corn, huh? There's fresh corn picked from Johnson's farm. You know, forget about it. You gotta have corn in the cob when it's summertime. Throw it on the grill, make some street corn, because it don't last that long this season. My hair's getting a little long, you know, so I gotta, you know. But anyway, So, anyway, this is what I'm gonna do, right? Excuse me with my sound effects. A half a teaspoon of kosher salt. Boom, Now 3 tablespoons of granulated sugar. Okay, this is 1 1.5. So 1.5 and 1.5 makes 3. Yeah, 3. That's what I said, 3. Not trees outside. 3. 1, 2, 3. I'm saying 1, 2, 3. Now we're gonna mix that 1, 2, 3 up. Oh, some sugar trying to get away. Come here, get your sugar. Get your sugar. All right, you mix it up nicey. You know, I'm working on a surprise with little tricks up my sleeve. If anybody didn't catch when I started on Instagram, I'm working on a nice little project. When I'm done, I'm going to share with everybody. So don't worry about it, forget about it until then. But anyway, grab your cornbread mix, sprinkle her in, Sprinkle it in, dump it in, whatever you want to say. Oh, look at that, lumpy, huh? Lumpy. All right, break up the lumps before you start mixing, right? Bum. Mr. Sandman. Anyway, I'm not a singer. I pretend to be in the shower like everybody else, you know what I mean? All right, you want to mix this up really nice. You don't need a whisk, okay? Because we're not whisking anybody a happy birthday or a Merry Christmas or whatever. Mix it with a spat, a rubber spat. But mix it good, right? Now whip it good. That's a nice little 80s song. Whip it good. Even it out. You know what I mean? Like a cake. Even her out. I can't wait to have this. I haven't had this in a month or two. I smoked a turkey, and you can't have turkey without cornbread, huh? Alright, so what I'm going to do is, see, I got a little bit around here. If I leave that there, it's going to burn, so I'm just going to wipe that up, clean it up a little bit, okay? 350, you want to check it, I would say check it after 20 minutes, okay? And it's probably going to need 35 to 40 minutes, but I like to check it throughout the cooking, so don't go away. Stick your cornbread in the oven, and I'll be right back in about 35 to 40 minutes. It's cornbread. Alright, it's about, I don't know the time, but I mean around about 35 to 40 minutes. I kept doing the toothpick test. Toothpick test said, hey, it's ready over here. So let me go get it for you. Look at that, nice color around the sides. Oh yeah, look at that, nice color. Let's put it to the side. Let's let it get you know. Ooh, it's singing to me. Oh my God, it is singing. It's talking. This has great color on it. Oh my God. Yes indeed. Yes indeed. You gotta have good color. First of all, because you know, we eat with our eyes, then with our mouth. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna let that cool off. Kavish. We got that cooled a little bit so we could cut it. You want to eat this, I'm telling you, you want to eat this warm because it's really good warm. You like this recipe? Stay tuned because I'm going to show you on another episode how to make it with bourbon. And yes, our good old friend, the Bourbon Cowboy, is going to bring the bourbon. Alright, so anyway, let's get this thing cut. Okay. I want to, yeah. Look at that, nice and nice. Yeah, very good. Let's do the taste here. Really good. Oh, hot. Like I said, you gotta eat it hot, guys. Guys, this is good. This is amazing. Stay tuned. Like I said, another episode, we're going to be making this, but with bourbon, with the Bourbon Cowboy, guys. I'm telling you, gotta try this recipe, okay? So, if you like what you saw, hit like and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on that bell notification button so you get notified every time I put out a new video. Guys, if you forgot, it's on Wednesday. Every Wednesday, I go for 6:30, 7 o'clock. You'll see a new Frankie Meatball video, cause I am back, Jack. Forget about it. So, follow us on Instagram, like us on Facebook, follow us on TikTok, and check out my guys, PhillyRockRadio.com. They play everything from the forefathers to the band Mothers of Rock. They even support your local bands, guys. Check them out, PhillyRockRadio.com. I'm telling you guys, I gotta go, I gotta eat this, but before I go, I want to say it's great being back, and till next time. Forget about it, eh? It's a Frankie Meatball production.